All right, guys, I just wanted to run through how to do the belt tensioner because I was just putting my motor back together on the Fiesta and I forgot to put my belt tensioner back on right here. So it's just two 10 mil bolts right here. What we did was you just get a jack under there with a piece of wood under your oil pan and jack it up just enough to where you actually see the motor kind of bump up just a little bit. And that'll make sure that this motor stays put and it doesn't fall on you. And you can throw like a jack stand under there with a block if you want. I trust this jack enough. And then you take off this motor mount first, which has four 18 mils, I believe. Yes, four 18 mil bolts. And then this will slide up and off, and I just put it here in the same orientation it was in. And then this other little mount here, so that bracket comes off first, and then this mount just has three 15 mil screws in it, and it's all right here. And that'll give you access to get these two 10 mils to change this out, or if you're like me and you just forgot when you're doing your swap. So we're gonna put that back on, and I'll show you how the serpentine belt gets routed too. Oh, and for the coolant reservoir right here, it just sits up in this tab right here, right on this plate. So you just pop that up and off. I pulled this little hard line off so I don't break it because it's so brittle and these break really easy. So I popped that off, just a little pinch pop right there, and then just wiggle this and it'll eventually pop out, and that you can just put that aside while you're messing with the belt tensioner. Okay, so what you'll need is a buddy. I got my wife to put the last piece of the belt on, but a 17 millimeter will fit right on this bolt right at the bottom here. Sorry for the shoddy camera work. This bolt right here, you can't access it from the top because that like rib thing is over it, but that's a 17 mil. And when you pull that to the right, so when you go that way, it will loosen up that belt, and that'll allow us to get it where we need to go. So it goes, I'll actually post the diagram instead of trying to dig in here to show you, but basically I got it to where it was loose right here. So right between these two pulleys. So I got everything else tight, and then when it got really tight in here, I just had my wife push this back. So this is kind of sticking out like that. I just had her push it around that little pulley right there. And if your wife's doing it, make sure you hold it tight so you don't snap her fingers or she'll get really pissed off. So then I just stuck this black piece back in, three 15 mil bolts. I left this loose right here, so this whole piece is loose still. So that way this bracket will fit on nice and easy. And then this is just the reverse of these bolts to get them all tight. So I'll tighten these black mounts first and then tighten the bracket, and then we can pull it off the jack, put the coolant tank back on, and we'll be done with the belt tensioner. Pretty easy, probably 10 minutes.